How to install a spool gun. Screw nozzle, remove tip. Open cover, remove spring, washer and nut. Match 1.0 mm wire need to 1.0 mm feed roll. Install anti-recoil spring. Thread wire in correct direction. Fit washer. Secure spool with nut. Note: align wire to liner. Test feed. Install the correct contact tip. Step 10. Tighten nozzle, secure cover. Installation complete. Install the crown spring into the spool hub. Thread wire as before. Push the crown spring down firmly into place. Replace the spool cover. Don't throw away the crown spring when you change wire.